Welcome back everyone to our channel. Today we're going to see how to sign in to Amazon Prime Video on your smart TV. If you just got a new TV or want to start streaming your favorite shows and movies with a big screen, you'll need to sign in the Amazon Prime Video app. Don't worry, it's a quick and simple process. Let me walk you through it step by step. On your TV, open the Amazon Prime Video app. If your TV already has it pre-installed, you will see it. If not, use your TV's app store to download it. Once the app is open, choose Sign In, sometimes shown as Register. A unique code will appear on your TV screen. Make sure to keep this screen open. Now grab your smartphone, tablet or computer and go to the official page at amazon.com/mytv or the regional version of your country. Enter your Amazon account, email and password just like you would when shopping on Amazon. After that, type in the code displayed on your TV. Once the code is accepted, your TV will refresh and sign in automatically. And that's it, you're now ready to browse and stream movies, shows, and even Amazon originals directly on your big screen. Just pairing your Amazon Prime Video with a 4K LED TV or OLED TV will give you the best viewing experience, especially if you're streaming in Ultra HD. And that's it. That's how you sign into Amazon Prime on your TV. Super easy, right? If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment with that show you're streaming first, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.